Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Nowadays, each and everyone shops online. When we purchase a product online, we get to see a product which is available with some default feature at some fixed rate. If we change those features, we see a change in its price based on the feature that we have selected. Do you know how these things are being configured in background? Let me walk you through how these things can be set up using Salesforce CPQ. So right now I am on cart screen and I'll click this add product button, which will show us a product selection screen. I'll select this checkbox and we'll click on select button. So on configuration script of laptop, we see laptop is available with some default feature, which is processor as Core i3, storage as 512 GB, internal memory with 8 GB and color as a black. With this feature, we can also see several options that we can select, like we can add mouse, we can add keyboard, we can also add light pen. Right now we are not going to see this, but we are just concentrating on these features based on which we want to price our product. So currently the processor is i3 and let me click save. So when we are coming on card, we see our price is $1,800 for this particular laptop. Now we want to set up a scenario in which if user selects this processor as Core i5, we should get the price of laptop as 2500 USD, and if user selects as Core i7, then the user will get price as $3000 for that particular laptop. So now let us set this thing. So I'll go to price rule, I'll click new, I'll provide some name, I'll mark as active, select evaluation scope as calculator, and I'll provide the evaluation order as 1. We'll click save, and now we have to set up price condition. So generally we write price condition for selecting a particular product for which we are going to provide a price action. So I'm selecting object as a quote line, I'm selecting product code as a field. In operator we'll select equals, filter type we'll select value, and here we'll write code of laptop, so it is LPTP in my case. Now how can we know this product code? So on a particular product we have to go to the product code field and copy this value from here and put it to the filter value field. So now once we have set up pricing condition, we'll go and create a price action. So generally we create price action to provide the price override, right? So in our case, target object will select quote line, target field we want to override the list price, so that's why we'll select list price over here, and we'll write a formula over here. So to start with, I'll write case, and over here I have to provide the API name of the field in which we are storing the value of processor, and then we have to provide first condition. Let's say if our processor is Core i5, then we want to override the list price with $2,500, and if our processor is Core i7, then we want to set up list price override as $3,000, and if user goes with the default processor, then we'll price it at 1,800 and we'll click save. So now the whole setup is being done. We have to just verify the setup. So I'm going to code, I'll refresh the page, I'll click add product, select the laptop, click select button. We'll go with this default features, click save. The price that we are seeing is 1800, and now we'll go ahead, reconfigure the product, and we'll change the processor to Core i5. Now I'll click save, and we will land on cart page where we can see the price is being changed to $2,500 as we have selected processor as Core i5. Now I'll again reconfigure the product. We select the processor as Core i7, and we will verify the price on cart page. So when we come to cart page, we can see our price is changed to 3000 because we have selected processor as Core i7. And now let us set it as the default one, which is Core i3, and verify the price. Let me hit save, and let us come to cart, which is 1800. So this is how we can set this scenario using Salesforce CPQ. I hope you guys liked it and it was a great learning for you. Thank you for watching.